everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoy. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning the whole house. I'm going to be making a grocery list. We're going to do some baking, but it will mainly just be cleaning throughout the whole video. This is a whole day of cleaning, lots of laundry. The kitchen is a mess, mopping, sweeping, lots of cleaning needs to be done. So this video should give you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. And this is a little peek at some of the messes in the house before we get started cleaning. Let me know down in the comments what projects you're going to be tackling while you're watching this video or after you watch this video. Are you cleaning your whole house? Are you just folding laundry? Let me know down in the comments what you are getting done, and I hope that this video can be motivating for you. The first thing that I'm going to get done is to start a load of laundry. I'm working at tidying up the entryway area. I feel like this area can get cluttered so fast because we come in through this door from the truck when we go somewhere, and then we just set things down, whether it be on this table or on the ground. I set bags there if I've been shopping, or my purse or whatever. So I just need to get better at that. As soon as I walk through the front door, I need to go and put my purse away in the closet and my shoes, and then take the bags and put the stuff away that's in them, put away the kids' shoes and their coats, and just do better with putting things away. As soon as I walk through the front door, something that I want to work on. Working at getting the laundry folded that was in the dryer from the day before so that I could put the stuff into the dryer from the washer that we started at the beginning of this video. And I just tried to be really consistent with the laundry on this day. Just as soon as something was done in the washer, I threw it in the dryer, and then I would take it right out to the couch so that it was ready to fold. And I was able to get all of the laundry done on this day and get it all folded. It was such a good feeling because sometimes when I have a lot of laundry to catch up on, it can just drag out so long because I end up forgetting about something that was in the dryer. I don't finish folding everything. It was nice to just get it all done in one day. I am tackling this kitchen, getting it cleaned up, these dishes washed, and if your kitchen is messy like mine was on this day, then let's tackle it together. Set your phone up in your kitchen or whatever you're watching this video on, and let's clean our kitchens together. You can do this. That's what these videos are for, is to motivate you to clean your house, because it is such an endless job keeping a house clean. You get the whole house clean, especially if you have kids and stuff. You turn around and it's a mess again. So it's a never-ending job, and we need motivation to get it done. So hopefully this video can do that for you today. If any of you guys haven't watched the last couple of videos on my channel, then be sure that you go back and watch them so you can catch up on all of the exciting stuff that is happening. We recently bought a house. I announced that a couple of weeks ago, and now I uploaded the empty house tour last week. You can go and watch that and see what the house looked like before renovations, because the house is a little bit of a fixer-upper, so we are renovating it and giving it a facelift. And then a couple days ago, I posted our first home renovation video. It may be one of my favorite videos that I've ever posted on my channel. It's just going to be really special to go back and look and see all of the hard work that we put into the house. We basically demo a ton of walls in the house. It's a really satisfying video to watch. Super fun, so be sure that you catch up on all of that. We'll hopefully be moving into the new house in about a month from now. So just stay tuned for it all. Be sure that you're subscribed and caught up on all of the latest videos. After the kitchen was cleaned, I wanted to quickly clean out my fridge because I filmed this video on a Monday. If you've watched my other cleaning videos, you know that I do this big whole house cleaning on a Monday, and I clean out my fridge, and then I make my grocery list, see what items that I need before I go to the grocery store for the week, and I meal plan and figure out what food I can make based off of what I have on hand and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to take a quick minute here to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is Ana Luisa. I wanted to show you guys the jewelry that I was wearing on this day all throughout this video. This has been my go-to jewelry the past couple of weeks. I've just been wearing this ring and necklace almost every day. Their jewelry is just so beautiful, and it's all always packaged up so pretty. It would make a perfect gift, or if you just want to gift some new jewelry to yourself. I'm always impressed by their pieces. I have several of their pieces now in my jewelry box, and they're some of my favorite that I own. The necklace I'm wearing today is the Amethyst February because February is my birthday month. These are made out of 100% recycled sterling silver. They make really great gifts for someone's birthday. And the ring that I'm wearing today is called the Chloe ring, and I've wanted a gold ring like this for a while that has this braided design, so I was really excited about this one. It's just so pretty. And Ana Luisa did give me a coupon code for you guys. I will have that typed up down below in the description box along with the link. And thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Okay, so now I'm vacuuming with my favorite cordless vacuum that I use all the time. This is the Shark Uplight vacuum. I'll put a link for it down below. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite vacuum is, whether it be a corded or cordless. I would love to hear down in the comments. My favorite corded vacuum is this Shark Uplight vacuum, like I said, and then my favorite cordless is my Tyneco vacuum that I have. I will link that one down below as well. I don't use it in this video, but I have used it in a lot of my previous videos. And today I was realizing that I am going to have to start packing this house soon, but really when I think about it, I don't think it's going to take me that long to pack this house at all. Like I could probably have this whole house packed in 2 days max. Like that would be the longest it would take me to pack because I've left a lot of stuff packed up in our storage shed, so there really isn't that much to pack, so I don't think I'm going to start soon. I have started to get rid of a few things, decluttering and stuff, but stay tuned for when I pack up this house. Now I got out my notebook and I'm going through the pantry and the fridge and the freezer and just seeing what all I am out of that I need to pick up at the grocery store, and then I'm going through and seeing what I could use to make some recipes and kind of figuring out what my meal plan should be for the rest of the week based off of what I have in my pantry, my freezer, and my fridge. And then I sat down at the table with my coffee and my phone, and I pulled up the Fry's app, and I was just going to pick up groceries the next day because I did not feel like going in the grocery store and it was going to be a busy day the next day. So I just go on the Fry's app and I added everything to my cart that I was out of, and then I wrote down all of the meal plan for that week, and then I got whatever ingredients I needed for those meals. I am mopping the floor now. As you can see, I got the whole main area of the house cleaned up, like the living room, dining room, entryway, kitchen, and then I vacuumed it all, mopped it, and then next I will go back and clean the bedrooms, the bathroom, and then we will vacuum all of that and mop it, kind of just splitting the house up into 2 sections. It just worked better that way on this day. This is the O-Cedar mop, and I'll be sure and put a link for it down below. It is an awesome mop. Before we get started on the bathroom and the bedrooms, I need to quickly fold some laundry. Okay, so I guess I forgot that before I cleaned the bathrooms and bedrooms, I quickly made some cookies. I made peanut butter cookies using this organic creamy peanut butter from Costco. This stuff is really good. Only ingredients are peanuts and sea salt. At this point, both of the boys were taking a nap and I had a clean kitchen, and so that combination just always makes me feel like baking something when the house is quiet and the kitchen is clean. And both of the boys had been begging for cookies, so I decided I'm going to make them some cookies while they're taking a nap, and then when they wake up they can be surprised with having some cookies to eat. Okay, so it was time for a second cup of coffee to get me through the rest of this cleaning. Also, if I'm gonna have a cookie, I like to have a cup of coffee with it. Now I'm getting this bathroom cleaned before I tackle the bedrooms, and it doesn't take very long to clean this bathroom because it's so tiny. First thing I do, tidy off the countertops, then spray the countertops with a multi-surface cleaner. Then I wipe them down using those 7th generation wipes that I showed you guys. Then I clean the mirrors, the toilet, and we'll clean the floor when we clean the bedroom floors in the hallway. And like I've said before, the boys tidy up their own bedroom every day, but on Mondays when I do this whole house cleaning, I like to come in here and clean up their bedroom, vacuum the floor, mop the room, and then I will put their sheets into the washer, which I'm going to do Owen's here in a minute. After I vacuum the floors here, I'm going to throw Owen's sheets into the washer, and then we'll finish vacuuming and mopping. And I didn't end up getting my bedroom cleaned on this day. I cleaned it the next day, so you're not going to see that in this video. And there I'm using the 7th generation laundry soap in the lavender scent. If you enjoyed today's whole house clean with me video, then be sure and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I will see you in a couple of days with a brand new video. Bye.